Notice your iPhone lagging after installing the iOS 26 beta? You're not the only one. Lots of users have seen slowdowns after the update, so here are a few easy fixes to make your device run smoothly. First, force restart your iPhone. To do that, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, press and hold the power button until Slide to Power Off appears. Slide to Power Off, wait for the screen to go black, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Next, disable Background App Refresh. For that, open Settings, tap General, select Background App Refresh, and toggle off any apps you don't use often to free up system resources. Then free up storage space by opening Settings. Now tap General, choose iPhone Storage, scroll through the list to find unused apps or large media files. Now tap Delete App or Delete Large Attachment, and confirm to reclaim space. Finally, reduce motion and transparency effects. To do that, open Settings, tap Accessibility, select Display and Text Size and enable Reduce Transparency. Then go back to Tap Motion. Here, toggle on Reduce Motion to cut down on heavy animations. That's it. 4 quick ways to make your iPhone snappier after updating to iOS 26 or 19. If this helped you, tap like, share which tip worked best in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Apple tutorials.